Bacho nanani.
Bacho mianka sa mini o no e point me hwe o sa ma hu.
Na me super show. Awesome.
Bacho
Me share highlight no na me tie o said all describe goals no the Charlie ejumane de wa bi mo.
Nyame show. Yes so ya da se abri nyina no mo hye nkran ye tene a na mo ye chia no mo tene ye ha ye sesi form kra na mo kutekutan nyame show bebre na mpacho from prelims to the finals. Chairman, there na obeka for competition. Wankasa o da no ama organize etutu kwan up and down. Nyame cha de yaba beduru mpempenso bi a Ghana fo nyina hu se a great event was delivered yesterday.
That's it. And say usually in a committee you planning the entire season. Now from round prelims to be round of 16 no. Most of the time no. You might regional football associations for no na the supervision near there no. Because I don't say competition is extremely expensive. Because beginning you say round of 92 you say clubs are involved in 92 clubs. So you are paying appearance fee for 92 clubs. Officials are apart from 4 referees, your referee assessor, a camera 5, your media officer, your camera person. What the RFA workers baby you become one you are looking at about 10 officials they say your mom allowance, your chair for Jumano, and to multiply nipa 10 by 46 matches now, that is 460 people. The budget, chunk of almost 80%, 90% of every budget, clubs and officials near the and you will be held responsible for if you match one co supervise, one co manage. They be or you volunteer those early stages. Maybe no, you won't get any allowance, Yeah, volunteer echo share the ben and make sure say okay. But I do round of 16, quarter final, semi final, nana committee members all over. Maybe I was connect but maybe a chairman in there. That is what we have how we have gone about it. This year, this to say, you be working on solving the Nkofwa and Kopak no home. It's taking a season long, but I think that from the lessons I you quarter finals, advice in semi-finals, you are putting very differently, and finals is a perfect, and impact on patronage. Going forward, I think that even for the league, I think that we have found a formula. You bet me improve patronage of football in Ghana.
Chairman, where the more break kakana yana mubusa say where the fachemi operational cost eya eba no any sky amunya no eya na etsesen
some of us know your passion. Me personally, I think that my mission on earth is there. That is why right from Misha, na me promote to Afromosis. No, your concept what take na me maji body na eji body one body betting as gate fee. You are near a tomb body and your chase cano. That's how I started when I was 5'6". You know we say and then me buy University of Ghana still and me promote shows in Yeska in Yema. Ana kwabuchi by me be radio station Sky Power FM. You know a idea and also carnival Christmas and you tell say this is sana Miss Mad Match. So we have been events And most of the committee members now I select you are event people. And one was a cat advantage or what it on why chairman da. Into me say menene Juma MTN for farming as a service provider 2015. Into sa mediama versus Kotokono. Me na me Juma ma MTN. As I introduced the trophy to on this animal. Into Kate Veyer president, he knew what I could do. And I was into football, so until the chairmanship of the Miami. And we have the benefit of or no a guardian. It's not about money. Say, because it's not about money. And sometimes it's very discouraging. And or no, Sana or five through he never be run in the bottom scan. And we chairman, be chairman of MTN FA CUP now. Bottom you do a bearing. Would you be because never be you have to pre-finance and now also be contribute to. One idea, let me give you an example. One idea is because you say you say this give you an unforgettable final. It means to say, I see all souvenirs for the Bekai. And yes, we gave us quite a lot of souvenirs. Of course, Nipane does I say you cannot, but Kaka, I share my to me, at least I did about 100 t-shirts, event branded t-shirts. One of them paying for no near DNA, mobile any idea, no, almost I can be. So these are near that, and no say, won't even go this go over. Wow, don't even go this can over. You have to, whatever, bro. But a joy when you see the results in Pacho. So and one say, you innovate radio commentary.
Aye.
It's in the history of Ghana. This is the first time you syndicate. You had over 100 radio stations.
Picking one free, the BC da Ghana.
Aye, English in their can, and they are all happy and pay feedback and they so positive. And see, we now we in a year you get it gives you some fulfillment and some joy. And even with TV, one of the first nanka Kwana Mobi Max Kwana can be. But this time TV3 Metro Adum so it meant that Anna Max Muyi, someone I'm producing a Muyi. Yeah. So what it meant was that we had wider millions and millions of people. And it makes the say one say no it's I expanded the value sponsor being young.
There's more leverage for the sponsor.
Good. So this is how you get more sponsorship. You get more because Ubite say no the MTN yeah Ubite me calculate. Hey, adverts see on this number of stations called taka rate card they see no I calculation. No any idea me the I'll save money by sponsoring we sponsorship then yeah at the exchange of value. Into more value or who be more value than this kind of the bishop or this kind of bishop. But these are how you beat me at the sponsored and then round almost ton Adriane woman be cannibal or ton Adriane I say it is say me involved not you honorable with me and come remember be Adriane. I don't think there's a problem except that let me speak to the University of Ghana for many facilities for Kasai. Oh, do have 11 on Adriane by 4 o'clock then Adriane in answer. And then a brune you in answer. And Kakakra so the honorable Nanka, let him have a crack. Or say honorable Murphy Matoni now, I'm saying with more.
I send a business, don't mean French.
When the referee cry or Toya, I said it all Toya. But I was happy for her, what was on. And I could see so many people were doing big business. And that is what life is about. It's about impacting a lot more people be benefiting. And it's not about money. The fulfillment is in seeing, and now was Father's Day. I think we made millions of fathers happy. That's our opportunity. We in Kenya.
And I'm millions of fathers here happy.
Hey, now the woman who come boy won't they be happy?
Adarin suka hon.
With the show, say the number of fathers are. And
Misata,
so the opportunity.
Now it's
Now he's happy. Do you think he's not happy?
Adarin is happy.
Why do you
think
think
no D born Adarin now? Ghana phone
he had the both you. Referee no me unim penalty no me can you videos na me man because of how busy I was.
But you've seen the replays.
We who replays no there just various angles near there. I don't want to put my neck
Misata ba unim kasa pao.
They say we do abubicha but sometimes you know what if players no be. She ball almost say no. She chance bi onya kotoko play chance bi onya almost say no almost mistake no so say be referee mistake but better if you never say mistake me referee that's the danger that's why
Mr.
VAR you have VAR in Ghana football
ebenya VAR ba
VAR ka be boy
ansani ebenya VAR no certain decisions must be communicated well for people to understand. Mr. Openi ball na ye ball na nra no amafo agya tum say referee no say ball no ye de no to nchen a mpacho ye hu say empenifo mu di selom ya bless di aba betu dwa say won na ko begina mfimfi na wato ayirem ye du agopoma no so a na ya bless ni mom akwakoda ne fourth referee ema fourth referee ni mom abeda ne center referee dey na see ya mo sesa referee no
me hu bi wo takwa tie dey park James Taylor, Anna, he was advertised, already appointed, you know, he has signed with all in the center referee. Almost a warm up, you will so sudden, Miss Ray. Oh, hope. Anna almost massage, went to me and the match, you know, now fourth will be the match, you know. Yet, Susano na crano, a idea, not team back, not the bull fupa, or something, I say. Oh, near catches a day. Why? What is your problem? You have 24 referees. We'll pull you out. We have problem. One to two breaker. Into your bare fourth, not the fourth, no. And then try your fourth referee, you know. And it's happened and no did recover. And then Rano, the same way, Anna bless Upulu muzzle.
Bless Puli muzzle le go hono.
I always warm up, no.
Hey, Selom.
So in your pins or
Selom.
Yeah.
I say come my doctor checking and say no cry.
Okay, next time we be sir. But on the referee be sign it is the greatest joy in your life. So be officiating in the finals of FA Cup. The referee be anywhere. Obo say be so go lobby kra no nya. Na nyame aye wadom ne assign wa. Ube ka say wuntimi ndi because just be when ya muzzle pull ampa. I want to believe the referee.
And do you believe that truly Salom got a muscle pull?
Then that's all. No, we'll say me sleep. Oh no, didn't say no. So tippings near the one. Oh no, to me to me, on to me, yeah, and Kayamundi na when to me and yeah, David. So the referee now being a no catch say, I have this problem, I cannot officiate. That's why I off. Then the referee management, did the right thing. But let's cut in on any case on these issues. Because maybe the time how come say?
Ufra Alex, I catch Alex say a friend ye nyano inti baby o shebia ye hwe no Alex.
Me catch but me catch the baby son. Me who almost may be son say what's going on? Why is Bless not the center? Not to Opulu Mozo.
Right.
He can run.
Chama Ebobo
is equally qualified. In fact, that's why Washa they always select very, very competent fourth. Obi to me a D match. Then no D match, no, just one incident, which is a bit controversial. But I'm sure say these things happen. Even right. With VAR, some of these things happen. That are. But I think that in your VAR in a game and Quebec,
your capacity, no.
Hey, if you have to be very well to me, It is always the mind though. And I say young at our level, your ball the community games you download do via software you see Sakradi.
Wow.
That's how I feel. Yes. And when what happened? Thank you via a game near end because nothing be LED 1-0. Anna the I said 1-0 no. Inya penalty. Na the why also company the yeah office penalty they be shane atino also company also company na ye cause en go heavier omo heavier na omo captain adin segunity nti odwani teammates ni ade hu so adin segunity ni ade no what would they say
omo bembe
hojo from ana a ball penalty so cry to keep an sanche no.
Wow.
But no so company Tizenganye via na yanka match nkanya because prize money was no.
Okay.
But so the via na dey hu here. If we want to do it, of course, yen to mean that we'll do AB in yanketu we will use a professional way. We are capable of reason. Yes, between
Chairman, that's it. Nyami shall be brief. Say oni akasa ni ebusa say in the 2025-2026 edition of the MTN FA Cup. You be say oda so lead committee na.
I know they say a GFA decision. And it means me decision.
Wo mo kasa to aso obeto aso.
Yeah, head nyame be. Yeah, head nyame. But the most important thing in lessons are you be carrying forward because I think that what must happen if we want to fill a stadium. That is what I really wanted to work on. Say, who person fill a stadium? Who person go for patronize the match? I was saying, so and you say, who assume say awareness the go for Beba Stadium, awareness in Franco for Stadium, awareness here to say Mobeka say we anyway radio in a radio station be a morning show or Beka say Kotokone has a ball. The saying Kotokone has a ball will not fill the stadium.
Right.
It is Nema obey out the build the interest. Nema obey out the bed drive home. So a trade here promotion is so yeah. Into here awareness no one out now on our office and go forward waiting. And we have proven it with what we've done. We did at Takwa near Hano. It's something we tested. I'm hoping say you bet me all leverage you're using for the league, upcoming league in other competitions so that we can improve because so when young of farmer her born, I idea so if it is not being consumed, I know
sure. Chairman, Nyami shall be brave. Yeah, that's the only
Nyami shall and with that Mojumera Maxwell Dana say Papa he's a pro, he's a solid businessman. Very proud to have met him and I'm sure that we will do big things. You be any market Nyami Shamo for most support in or that more Ghana football because more attitude no it is pure love for Ghana football it's not for commercial reasons
God bless you too. That's Wilson Atta. Profound ending statement. And so Mr. Maxwell Techi, wherever you are, these are words for you and we say you are truly a great boss. This is from Wilson Atta. 11:06. Anything to do now?